first use of a brick separator is to separate these Technic pieces. What you have to do is take the point of a brick separator, push it in to that little yellow Technic piece, remove it, and then you're pretty much good. The next use is a tile separator. That you use the end, you jam it under, and then all you have to do is just push up and you have it separated. Then the third and final use is the end, which has two studs. You gotta push it in, pull up, and then you have it separated. Then if you want to put it back, all you have to do is just push one down and you have one left.